OnePlus has just introduced a new phone, new watch, and new tablet. Let's start with the OnePlus Nord 4, a device aimed at the mid-range market that has a rather unique design. The back cover has a dual finish. The camera area has a super reflective finish, while the rest of the body comes with a matte finish, highlighting the two cameras much more prominently than we were used to. So, it is a device that looks original in design. Its screen is a 6.74-inch AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a thickness of 7.99mm in a metallic body. According to the brand, they have been greatly inspired by the essence of the OnePlus T, which was introduced many years ago. The built-in processor is the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen, and it comes in versions with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of storage, although it's not clear which version. The battery is 5000 mAh and stands out compared to the vast majority of devices that currently have a capacity of 5000. It supports 100-watt super bulb charging, which OnePlus says charges from 1 to 100 in 28 minutes. However, it is not very clear if the charger will be included in the box, and this could vary in different markets. This device is debuting artificial intelligence features from OnePlus, such as a capability to summarize text, another to draft text, as well as a tool to summarize your voice recordings. Regarding the camera section, the main sensor is a Sony Leica 600 with optical stabilization. Additionally, the second camera is 8 megapixels ultra-wide, and at the front, we will find 16 megapixels for selfies. It also includes a new AI-powered object eraser, another feature for having the best face in group photos, also driven by artificial intelligence, and it comes with Android 14 and a promise of 4 years of updates from OnePlus. The base version has an announced price for Europe of €499. Remember, that price is here not the same as those over there. We will have to wait to see if OnePlus will also launch this device in Latin America and other regions to learn about its adapted price. Hopefully, they can present it so we can try it out. Now let's start talking about the OnePlus Pad 2. It has a thickness 6.49mm, weighs 584G, processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 12GB, RAM 256GB storage. Its screen is 12.1 inches with K resolution and LCD technology, and it has a ratio very close to 3:2, so it is not so focused on multimedia content. This screen can reach 144 Hz. It can adapt to a minimum of 30. Its peak brightness is 900 nits, and it has 6 speakers to offer you stereo sound. The battery is 9510 mAh and comes with 67-watt charging. It also has compatible accessories like the Stylo Dos or the Smart Keyboard. In the case of the stylus, there are new features as its tip can now generate a certain level of vibration to give a much more realistic sensation of writing, while the keyboard now also includes a trackpad. This new tablet has an announced price of $549.99. The price of the pen is €99, while the keyboard costs €149. So as you can see, the accessories are not included with the tablet, but you can buy them separately to complete the full experience. OnePlus also introduced its new watch called the OnePlus Watch R. This watch comes with Wear OS, so it supports all the applications that other watches with this operating system generally support. It comes with a weight of 59G, so it is really very light. The screen is a 1.43-inch AMOLED, reaching a peak brightness of 1000 nits. It is available in green and black colors with a rather elegant finish, although it also has a considerably thick frame as part of the watch's decoration. It comes with 32 GB of storage, so it even allows you to have songs downloaded directly to your watch, so you don't need your phone when you go out to exercise. It also supports GPS to allow you to go out and exercise without needing to bring your phone. It supports more than 100 sports modes and has 5 ATM water resistance and IP rating. It offers you 100 hours in smart mode and up to 12 hours in power-saving mode, as remember that OnePlus and Oppo have a power-saving mode that stops using Wear OS, which can give you a much longer battery life, although obviously, you don't have access to all the applications. The global price announced for this watch is $229.99. But remember that prices here are not the same as those over there. Tell me which of these three OnePlus products you found most interesting.